Welcome back. In today's video, we are cracking the code of one of the trickiest IELTS reading question types: true, false, and not given. Have you ever read a statement and thought, is it false or just not mentioned? You are not alone. Let's break this down with 3 simple tricks. Trick number 1. Understand the nuances. Take it as true if the statement exactly matches the information presented in the passage. You need to ensure that every detail in the question must be supported by the text. Take it as false if the statement directly contradicts the information in the passage. There should be clear evidence in the text that statement is incorrect. Take it as not given if the information in the statement is not mentioned at all. Rather, I would say if any information in the statement is not mentioned at all in the passage, even indirectly, the text simply doesn't provide enough detail to confirm or deny it. Trick number 2. Harness the power of keywords. Before even you look at the passage, take these steps first. Number 1. You need to read the question first. Underline or highlight the keywords in the question statement. Number 2. Pay special attention to the nouns, verbs, and adjectives. They often hold the key to the meaning. Then efficiently scan the passage for exact matches of these keywords or even their synonyms. This targeted approach saves valuable time and helps you locate relevant sections quickly. Trick number 3. Beware of extreme language. Questions often use extreme words to trick you. These words make a statement absolute, which is rarely supported by the nuances of academic text. Watch out for these words. They are always there just to make you confuse. If a statement uses an extreme word, it is highly likely to be false or not given, unless the passage provides such an absolute claim. Here is a golden rule for uncertainty. Whenever you still feel unsure between false and not given, whenever you are in doubt, it's generally safer to choose not given. This is because for a statement to be false, you must find some concrete evidence in the passage that directly contradicts it. Without this clear contradiction, it is more likely that the information is just not there. Guessing false when it is not given can cost you points, whereas a not given choice often reflects the absence of sufficient evidence. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful IELTS reading strategies.